Hey Foxx Squad, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you the new bed that I purchased for my upstairs guest bedroom. This is the room before we changed the bed. This is a king size bed and it's way too big for this small room. So we decided to order a smaller bed, a queen size bed. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we put it together, and I'm actually going to be using the same bedding to decorate the bed for the time being until I order some queen size comforters or duvet covers. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. There is way more walking room in here now. The bed is the same length as a king size bed, but at least people can now have room to walk around, put a suitcase against the wall, get into the closet. I still need to find queen size bedding, but this one will do for now. I still love it. It's so soft. I don't like the color of the curtains now. You can't really tell in the video, but they're more of a cream color and the headboard is more of an off-white color, so they look sort of yellowish in comparison now. But this is what the room is looking like. I'm liking it so far. I think I'm going to get rid of this. Also, not get rid of it, but move it to somewhere else in the house. And then it'll give this room a little bit more space and have my husband mount the television on the wall. And maybe put a small desk underneath the television instead of having that big dresser there. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.